Today's scripture reading begins in verse 6 of Proverbs chapter 6. Go to the ant, you lazy one, observe its ways and be wise, which, having no chief officer or ruler, prepares its food in the summer and gathers its provision in the harvest. How long will you lie down, you lazy one? When will you arise from your sleep? A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest. Then your poverty will come in like a drifter, and your need like an armed man.
Sometimes it's difficult to see sin in our own life, especially if it's something that doesn't stand out as obviously evil. That's the problem with laziness. It's viewed as an acceptable weakness rather than a sin. Those who live in a pattern of laziness have trouble seeing clearly what they're doing wrong, and they find criticism unreasonable. To determine whether laziness is a problem in your life, consider these characteristics: making excuses for not doing a task, avoiding doing things you don't like even if they're your responsibility, not considering the future outcome of your inaction, needing outside coercion to complete tasks. The consequences of laziness are serious. In the workplace, there's the possibility of frequent criticism, probation, or even termination. In the home, a buildup of frustration could result in harsh words, and children may copy their parents' undesirable habits and suffer as a result. Those of us who are believers may be able to fool ourselves by thinking that laziness is no big deal, but God isn't pleased with poor attitudes, careless ways, and shoddy efforts. He wants us to do our work heartily, as unto Him.